Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how to make paper aeroplane with just a piece of paper, sketcher and pen. You can make this aeroplane in 2 minutes. I think you have learned how to make an aeroplane. So like the video, try it yourself and let me know in the comment how it went. I thank you so much for watching. We are coming to launch our paper aeroplane. As you can see how it will go. Now we are launching this aeroplane. You can see. Yes. Oh, we can launch again. Start the launching. Oh, very good, very good. Oh, it's also good, very good.